Simplify 4w squared over 6w minus 8w squared. So, kung mapapansin natin, yung variable nilang tatlo ay pareho. So, kukunin natin ang GCF. Sulat muna natin silang tatlo. Ayan. Okay, so factor natin, prime factorization. What are the prime factors of 4? Meron tayong 2 times 2. And then, w squared, w times w. 6 naman, meron tayong 3 times 2, then times w. And 8, so meron tayong 2 times 2 times 2 times w times w. So, and then, identify na natin yung common factors. So, ano yung common sa kanilang tatlo? We have sa variables, meron tayong w, and dito naman sa prime factors, meron tayong 2. So, yung GCF natin is equal to, meron tayong 2 and w. So, yan. So, ang gagawin natin ay i-divide natin yung terms sa GCF. Okay, so sulat natin dito. Wait lang. 2w over 2w. Let's divide. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And w squared divided by w is equal to w. Ayan. So next, 6w divided by 2w is equal to 3. And then negative 8w squared divided by 2w is equal to negative 4w. And then we can now cancel this one. 2w divided by w is equal to 1. So, cancel na natin yan. So, therefore, yung answer natin dito ay 2w over 3 minus 4w.